Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are gonna do a declutter and organize a small pantry. I wouldn't say it's small. Like I feel like I have enough storage to put things away where they should, but eventually I feel like it just gets out of hand. I start throwing things in there almost like if it's like a closet, which it kind of is because at the very back, I tend to store things that we don't usually use on a regular basis. So I'm gonna try to get rid of some of those things, maybe take those out and utilize the space a little bit better. I feel like even though it is small, I feel like I do have a lot of space to work with. I just don't use it or maximize it, if that makes any sense. So this is the before, this is how it looks. And hopefully by the end of this video, it looks a little bit more functional and a little bit more organized.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me.
All right, starting out, we are gonna get everything out of the pantry that was on the floor. I left the food there because I just kind of work my way through the shelves slowly, but everything that was on the floor and in the back of the pantry, I got rid of.
Take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me,
I love my Dyson. I don't know about you guys, but corded vacuums are just not my thing anymore. I feel like I could just take this thing wherever I need to. And the little attachments are so useful, especially because they're actually attached to the vacuum. I love it. I actually have two. I keep the other one in my bedroom, but this one stays in the main floor, and it just makes cleaning so easy.
get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
I'm actually having my morning coffee as I'm editing this video. What are you guys doing as you're watching me declutter this pantry? I'm always wondering what everyone is doing. Usually when I watch Clean With Me videos, I'm usually not cleaning. So what are you guys doing at the moment?
Good, so take a chance, take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, I'm golden. Just see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden.
All right, things are happening. We are finally in the stage where I can start putting things back into the shelves. I'm choosing this shelf to be just kind of like canned goods, and I'm literally putting each can in a category so that when I go shopping, I know exactly what I have. Usually they're all bunched up, so it's not easy for me to determine what we need. But this way, at least it looks like a store, and I know exactly what we're out of and what to buy, which saves me money in the long run.
And all drained out, I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness.
This shelf right here, I have rice, pasta, beans, things like that nature that like require boiling to cook. I don't know, I just figured that's the shelf. Like that's what the shelf is gonna have. So kind of like grains and stuff like that. I'm just kind of organizing everything just to see whatever makes sense. I kind of go back and forth. Usually like I'll set something up, and then if I'm not happy with it, I'll move things around.
They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't.
This bottom shelf for sure has all of our snacks. I buy bars like a mad woman, and then I usually end up throwing some away because I buy so many and I don't really snack on bars. I don't know why I buy them. So I have to make a mental note to buy less. You could see the chewy bars in the background. Those I used or I ate a lot when I was breastfeeding early on, but I think I just ate them so much that I got tired. This bottom shelf is gonna be just for cookbooks and things that I want in the kitchen, but not really like food related. Like for example, I have a box of gloves for COVID reasons, and eventually I ended up putting other things in there. But yeah, they're not food related, but I want them in the kitchen, so that's what the shelf is for. Super pleased. It is like the best declutter that I've ever done, because I feel like usually when I declutter the pantry, I keep everything and just kind of reorganize it. And today I said, if it doesn't belong in the kitchen, it doesn't belong in the pantry. So that was my like rule, I guess you want to say, for like tossing things out or just putting things in other rooms. Doesn't it look so much better? I am like super relieved, and this is gonna come in handy right before the holidays because I'm sure it's gonna get pretty hectic and I'm gonna need all the space I can utilize. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.